1 big apple, cut her in half. Now carefully take out the cores. Oops, let's try that again. I'm gonna use a smaller knife this time. There we go. Brush the tops with some melted butter and sprinkle with some cinnamon. In a bowl, melt half a tablespoon of butter, add 1/4 cup of oats, half a teaspoon of any kind of flour, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and half a tablespoon of maple syrup. Mix that up. Oh my gosh, yum. This is gonna be our topping. Preheat your air fryer to 350. Divide the topping onto the apples. Apples into the air fryer. Now cook for 15 minutes. Amazing. Now you can plate them up, add a little bit of whipped cream. Oh my goodness. It tastes like an apple pie. What? This is the bomb. Oh, you guys gotta try this. Lord have mercy.
Looking for a super easy dessert? Try these air-fried apples. Chop your favorite apple into cubes and add it into a big bowl along with coconut oil, maple syrup, cinnamon, and ginger. Mix it to combine. Throw those babies in the air fryer at 390 for 12 minutes. I love to serve mine with coconut whipped cream or ice cream. Don't forget to save this post.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you see more videos as they come out.